Welcome. So listen, today I'm going to be showing you tricep over the head pullbacks. All right, we're using dumbbells. So if you have a dumbbell or if you want to use a kettlebell, you can as well. I'm using dumbbells. I recommend that you use your dumbbells. These are 4 pounds. So what we're going to do is elbows are going to be bent. Okay, so look at that. Elbows bent as far back as you can. I always try to reposition and try to bring my shoulder blades back, try to keep my spine straight as much as possible. I go as far back and then I just pull my elbows straight. Okay, so they are straight over the head. Now I have both dumbbells together. So you go to back as low as you can, bending those elbows and then going straight over your head. All right, so this is tricep pullbacks over the head. And this is what it looks like. Fully extending arms. Do not cheat yourself and bend your elbows when you pull up. You are going to instantly feel this exercise. All right. So go as low back. Try to keep elbows in. Sometimes I go out a little bit, but try to keep them in as close to your head as possible. Bending and then over the head, straight pulls. And just like that, you just did a tricep over the head pull back. That's it. That's all.